Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install RawTherapee on your Windows PC or laptop. RawTherapee is a free and open-source photo editing program designed for raw images, making it a great choice for photographers and beginners alike. So let's get started. Step 1. Download RawTherapee. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official RawTherapee download page. RawTherapee downloads download the latest Windows 64-bit installer *. As of 2026, the latest stable release available is RawTherapee 5.12 *. RawTherapee 1. Step 2. Run the installer. After the download is complete, open your *downloads** folder and double-click the installer file. If Windows displays a security prompt, click *yes* to allow the installer to make changes. Step 3. Install the software. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next ***. Read and accept the license agreement. Choose the installation location, or leave it as the default folder. Click Next ***, then click ***install ***. Wait a few moments while RawTherapee is installed on your computer. Step 4. Launch RawTherapee. When the installation is finished, click ***finish**. You can now open RawTherapee from the Start menu, or by double-clicking the desktop shortcut if one was created. The first launch may take a few seconds while the program initializes. Outro. That's it. You have successfully installed RawTherapee on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.